Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So to enable new followers, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click here on profile. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here, then come to this list here, just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on activity filter, just click on it, then you come to this list here, just go down here, you come here to your followers, just click this sign, then like you see this color show for us, that's many new followers enable with us now. Go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.